Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to CCC Hotel. My name is Julius Rafaelasic and I will be your personal butler during your stay. May I assist you with your luggage?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You're most welcome. Before I take your luggage, may I confirm if there are any fragile or valuable items inside that require special handling?
No, everything is fine.
Very well, ma'am. Please allow me to escort you to our front desk for check-in.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to CCC Hotel. Do you have a reservation with us?
Yes, under the name of Maria Santos.
Thank you, Sir Santos. May I please see a valid identification card? Thank you, sir. Your reservation has been confirmed. You will be staying in our deluxe king room for 3 nights. Breakfast is included and will be served from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Here are your room keys. Enjoy your stay, sir.
Thank you.
This way, please, ma'am. Allow me to escort you to your room.
While we're on our way, let me introduce some of our hotel facilities. Our all-day dining restaurant is located on the ground floor. The fitness center is open from 6 a.m. until 10 p.m. Our swimming pool is located on the 5th floor. The business center operates 24 hours. Complimentary Wi-Fi is available throughout the hotel. Should you require restaurant reservations, transportations, laundry, or any special assistance, I will be happy to arrange everything for you.
This is your room, ma'am. May I have your key card to open the door upon entering the room? Welcome to your room, ma'am. Allow me to briefly familiarize you with the room features. So this is your room key card. The air conditioning control is located beside the entrance. The television remote is on the bedside table. The minibar is stocked with a beverage and snacks. The safety deposit box is inside the wardrobe. The bathroom amenities include fresh towels, toiletries, sleepers, and a bathroom. Room service is available 24 hours through extension. If you need housekeeping, simply dial extension 123. If you wish, I can assist you with unpacking your luggage and arranging your garments.
Yes, please.
Your clothing has been arranged inside the wardrobe. Would you like me to prepare any garments for pressing or laundry service?
No, thank you.
Very well. May I also arrange a wake-up call, restaurant reservation, airport transportation, tea or coffee service, extra pillows or blankets?
I'd like a wake-up call at 6:30 a.m.
Certainly, your wake-up call has been noted for 6:30 a.m. tomorrow. Is there anything else I may assist you with?
No, that's all.
It has been my pleasure. Should you need any assistance, please contact me through guest services by dialing 123. Enjoy your stay. Good morning, ma'am. May I come in? I understand you are checking out today. May I assist you in unpacking your belongings?
Yes, please.
Your belongings have been packed. May I escort you to the front desk?
Yes.
Allow me to assist you with your luggage to your vehicle. Please take a moment to verify that all your belongings have been loaded.
Everything is complete.
Wonderful. Thank you for choosing Grand Horizon Hotel. It has been my pleasure serving you. We look forward to welcome you again. Have a safe trip, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
You're most welcome. Have a wonderful day.